Hello, my name is Fred Amrine and welcome to College Affordability, a website designed to help parents and students lower their cost of education. Today's topic is parent education loans. Here's a list of the various options that parents have. You need to be careful when you go through this process that you're overlooking your entire financial life. So before you commit to giving money to your child or helping them finance their education, these loans are legally your responsibility. So the first one is the Parent Plus loan. That is the federal program. As long as you complete the FAFSA form and you have a credit score that's above, currently I think it's 630, you will qualify for this loan. If you are denied, your child may qualify for more Stafford loans, a very limited amount, not the amount that you would qualify under the Plus program. Currently this rate is 7.9, it's a fixed rate, and that may change in the upcoming months, but currently it's a fixed rate. You also can take a private student loan where it would be a loan in the student's name, and you could go as a cosigner. This will be a variable rate loan. Again, this will depend on the score or your current credit score value. And if the student is a little bit older, if they have a credit score, that will also impact the rate that you will receive. Some very different alternative loans, and these are loans that the financial aid directors can't discuss with you. But again, your situation, depending on your personal goal to educate your children, these loans are much more affordable and could work out from an economic standpoint much better than the other ones above. So currently a home equity loan could be an option based on the interest rate. Here, again, on your credit score, this could be almost half the amount of a Plus loan from an interest rate charge standpoint. You could also look at a 401k type of loan, out of retirement plans if you're an active employee and they have a program. This is an option, but you need to be really careful about those, since if you should change jobs and you have a loan outstanding, that amount needs to be repaid within 60 days. If it is not, it will come in as income. So that could be very detrimental to your situation, especially with your EFC. That would all come in as income and affect your tax return. And then some personal loans, so to use a credit card or take a different type of personal loan is also another option that's out there. Again, the financial aid directors can't explain these last three to you, but again, they are available to you. Here are some other things you need to worry about as you go through this process. Student loans are not forgiven through bankruptcy. The Parent Plus loans and the different loans do have higher limits. The student loans have specific limits based on their academic progress. The downside, though, to the parent loans is there's limited repayment options. Really, it's just expanding the time. And if you have a high interest rate, that could be, again, detrimental on the long term. You need to look at the impact it's going to have on your retirement. We're just starting to see a few situations where people have defaulted on their Parent Plus loans and a portion of their Social Security is being garnished. So you need to be really careful here. Again, bankruptcy is not a way out. One of the things you should look for if you do the private loans is to look for what's the release. If you're a cosigner for a student loan, there is an actual release by some lenders that will happen after a certain amount of time of on-time payments from the student. And again, you have to understand the personal risk you're taking on and look at your retirement. Again, we do a timeline. That's an important part of when you think you'll be done your repayment process. Hope you found this information helpful. Again, College Affordability is a website that can give you more information on the whole college funding process. And Repay 411 has information on the student loans and student loan repayment process. Thank you and have a great day.